Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, again a recreation video, an inspired video. This is an inspired makeup look by Nivita Peturaj, inspired makeup look. So she had done a very nice bold black smoky eyes and a nude lip. So I have created my level best. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now just let's get started by the video. For my base, for the eyelids, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Foundation as my primer, as my base. I'm just going to blend it.
So as you can see, I look a little very bad
With some very whitish cast on my eyes. Don't worry. So I'm just going to make it sit. So I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette for my eyeshadows. So as you can see, I've already completed all the eyeshadows. It's almost going to over. The first shade I'm going to take this and I'm going to set all over my lids. With another small blending brush, I'm going to take an orange shade from the palette itself. I'm going to remove all the excess. I'm just going to place the eyeshadow only on my crease area. Same way the other eye. So next I'm going to take this eyeshadow. This is from Wet n Wild, the flat shader brush. I'm just going to apply only on my eyelid, very slightly. Don't make it too harsh. So let it be like that. So I'm just going to blend it with the orange or the crease color we have done, no? As you can see, I have completed my eye look. Only the eyeliner and the lashes are left. Very easy to achieve. So now let's move on to the eyebrows. So I've taken a spoolie. I'm just brushing it in my natural direction of my eyebrows. With the same palette, I have taken a brown color shade. I'm just going to apply as my eyebrow. Just filling my gaps. I'm not overdoing my eyebrows. Slightly toning down my eyebrow color. So as you can see, I have just toned down my eyebrows because it was so much bushy. So I've just toned down a little bit. So this is a primer. The primer I'm using is from Lakme. This is one of my most favorite primers. So for the foundation, I have taken two foundation. One is from L'Oreal and one is from PAC. This is a little lighter and this is my exact shade, so I'm just going to mix both and just gonna apply it on my face. You can see this is a very random blending, so I'm just going to make a little more blending because I need a flawless skin. As you can see, I've already applied my lashes off camera, so I'm just going to line a little bit. She had an eyeliner, black thick eyeliner, so I'm going to do that. So for that I have taken gel eyeliner from Maybelline. If you don't have a black eyeshadow, you can definitely use a gel eyeliner to make the black bold. So first I'm going to use a brown color eyeshadow so that it looks seamlessly good. Now I'm going to use my mascara. This mascara is from on the Face Shop, only on my lower waterline. So as you can see, my total eyes is completed now, so I'm just quickly do a little touch up on my black eyeshadow. So for that I have taken this flat shader brush and the same black what I have used, so just a little bit so that black looks good. So I have almost completed my eyes. So to give a little depth and color to my face, I'm going to use blush and contour powder like bronzing. So I have taken this Nykaa palette. In this I'm going to take these two blush colors. This is basically an eyeshadow, but I'm going to use it as a blush. Nivedha Peturaj had a very peachy blush. I didn't have any kind of peachy blush, so I'm taking this blush. Next, I'm going to use this sugar palette to contour my jawline, my cheekbones, everything with the same brush. Just make a fishy face. done. This is how it looks. To set everything in place, I'm going to use a compact powder. The compact powder I'm using is from Maybelline Fit Me. And finally, the highlighter and the lipstick. The highlighter I'm using is from Nykaa palette. I've taken a small brush and lastly the lipstick. The lipstick I'm using is from L'Oreal. I'm using the shade 202 Maple Mocha. Such a pretty nude shade. She had a very nude, black smoky eye makeup look. So yeah guys, this is the final look. This is how the look turned out. With some smoky eyes and nude lips. With some yellow dress again. This is not the exact dress, exact earrings. I've tried my level best to recreate the same look for you guys. If you like this look, please share it to your friends and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.